Hello beautiful people of the world, welcome to another fun, riveting, exciting start to finish hair video. Today's video I'm going to show you guys how I did my hair for today. So you can see it's super cute, super pretty. This is like my go-to hair slash wig of the summer, like the ultimate low maintenance. And if you're like, Cameron, I don't have any hair, I'm bald headed, don't worry girl, me too. Low-key, I have really short hair, but wigs like this I can like easily finesse and transform into, like, you know, curly hair baddie without having to worry about lace on my forehead and actually let my forehead breathe. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this hair, then sit down, relax, and get into today's video.
She's a bad thing, fine as hell, thick as fuck, oh my god, that's my baby, Caroline.
This is a half wig from OQ Hair. It's 22 inches. I haven't cut it actually. This is one of the wigs for the first time. I didn't have to cut the ends to get it full. It was super full out of the box and the curls are really nice. I feel like it's a perfect length and shape for the style I want. I like these type of half wig. I'm realizing, because you might notice that half wigs are coming back, but not all half wigs are made the same. I really like this one because the construction is what I really care about. This one has like this like invisible band, like this it looks like a proper flip over. Like I can't see the band in the front, because another half wig I have, there's like a little band right here which makes it hard to get like a seamless blend. So I really like that about this wig. I like how it has lots of clips. It has a clip in the back, clip on the sides, top, and the best part is that it has a drawstring that I can pull really small, and sometimes I wear this as a drawstring ponytail. Super versatile and nice and secure with that extra elastic band up there. So this is my hair that needs a wash. My hair is relaxed, but it's transitioning. I haven't had a relaxer in 6 months. I'll probably get one later on in this month. But what I like to do is I don't tie my hair back first. I will. I feel like right now I know about how much hair I need. Like about that much, just enough to cover everything, but I don't like bringing out too much, especially on this side because I'm not gonna do anything. For the first hairstyle, just about this much, my perimeter, that's it. That's all I need. As you can see, I'll be like, is your hair thin? No guys, it's just transitioning, so like the ends are relaxed, that's why they're so thin. But up here is my new growth, so as you can see, I'm in need of relaxer. But the new growth, funny enough, makes my hair blend a lot easier with curly half wigs, because it was just like straight, thin, relaxed hair. It wouldn't like blend that well. It would probably blend better with like a straight texture. That's why I'm kind of waiting for for the fall time for me to get it, for like the winter to fall time for me to get a relaxer, because I feel like if I get a relaxer right now I won't be able to rock these curly wigs properly. But okay, so as you can see, I clipped it on behind my hairline. Okay, very easy. See that, like it went so fast, so easy. Now, depending on what kind of girl you are, if you're a heatless girl, you want to get really tiny perm rods, and you probably want to unless you have a hooded dryer, do this the night before. But if you're type B like me and don't even care about adding heat damage, obviously my hair is relaxed. Even if it wasn't, I'll still be using heat. And you don't have time to pre-plan stuff, get you a tiny, the skinniest curling wand you can get from Amazon or TikTok shop. I got this one like under 20 bucks. I'll try to link it down below. These are perfect for blending with curly hair, and all I do is just in little small sections start wanding the hair together to get it to blend. I should put my glasses back on, can't see. See that? And it doesn't have to be perfect, like you just need a little curl in your hair. Now if you have natural hair, done. all I do is just flip it over like so, and I use my hand to like literally comb it over everything. So that's why the curls don't have to be perfect, because I'm gonna mess it up anyways. It just needs to have some curl in there. Don't need too much. Since the wig is freshly washed, it's like giving day one hair. Whenever the hair is like more, I like the wig how it looks at the end of the week when it's been like really worn in and it's big and puffy. Because right now, like, my roots are still kind of too soft, but it's okay. Like, it's curly hair. The textures don't have to match that much for it to, as long as it's not like really like wavy hair, like proper kinky coil kind of hair. And with the edge fix, edge control, just cleaning it up, smoothing it out where it needs to be smooth. But not too much. I don't want a very pushed back look. I just want a more cleaned up look. And I could just honestly push my real hair underneath and let it fall down, so that way my real hair is even like less noticeable. I feel like, funny enough, your hair being short works a lot better with these half wigs, because you don't have to like have your real texture too much competing with the rest of the wig. Because my hair was like much longer, I'd have to like really work hard to get all of that to blend. But since it's just like kind of short, it can hide underneath the rest of the hair. I realized it was, since I was having too much time blending the hair here, I had the wig too far back, because the less leave out the better. So I did pull out, like literally I made it a lot less leave out. Like the wig is right here. I don't want to pull it down. So if you're having a hard time blending everything, maybe you just have too much leave out, and that's what was my case. Because the less leave out, the better, honestly. And like I said, I don't really do anything on this side because it's just gonna be a flip over this way. And I just flipped it, literally, my hair is tucked in underneath. Bada bing, bada boom. But so yeah, I'm just gonna give her an even cut. 8 ends. Jay said that she can be nice and big, like I like it, but not too much. Got some mousse to re-curl up the ends, because whenever you cut curly hair, when it's dry, the ends be blunt, and I want my ends to curl and pop. And then I'm gonna brush the ends back out. Apply some mousse. Okay, now I'm gonna let the hair air dry and finish getting ready for the day. Let the curls dry like this. I don't like separating them because I want it to be nice and clumped. I'm gonna go get ready for the day and come back. Okay, so done my makeup for the day. The hair is like, I would call it 80% dry. But you can see like it looks so seamless, so good. Like look at that. Boom. This could be my real hair. Like don't play with me. It's literally so low maintenance, so easy to do. And some days, if I'm like really not in the mood, I'll show y'all. Like some days I don't even do my edges, I don't do my baby hairs. I just put her on, put a headband. I'll show that another day. But yeah, this is the hairstyle for today. It's so cute, so easy. Classic, simple flip over. And I feel like I said, it just works. Like it can get big and puffy throughout the day and I'm still gonna look fine. Like I'll probably show y'all how the hair looks at the end of the day. Show you like it honestly holds up. But yeah, that is the hairstyle for today. What do y'all think? I'm definitely into it. I wanted to come out here to show you guys my hair because I feel like the lighting here just like eats better. You can really see the hair. Like look at that. Look how seamless it looks. Like it's not giving it she's bald headed low key. It's giving she has a big head of curly beautiful curls. Like I love this. I love half wigs so much. They're like my go-to for the summer vacation. Like you can do so much different hairstyles with it. Like I'm trying to like break the hair. Sometimes the hair is a little bit hard from the mousse. You gotta like scrunch it to break it out of its cast, to soften it. That's what I'm doing. And the hair is gonna get a lot more voluminous as it dries. So I don't want to play with it too much. I'm just trying to scrunch out the cast from it. But yeah, look at that. Unclockable, super natural. Like some hairstyles just, you don't need lace for it to eat. Like I love this so much. Definitely one of the best, definitely a perfect wig. And I feel like this wig particularly, like you're gonna get a half wig, especially if short hair. The wigs that have like the flip over sewn thing are the best because I feel like I had another wig that had that band on there and it didn't blend as well. Like it was just an obvious gappage. But this, because of flip over, like literally the wig is right here. I barely have anything out. But yeah, that is it for today's styles. I will see you guys in another one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And peace out, Girl Scouts. Goodbye.